What does it mean to be creative? It's a question I've been asking myself for years. Maybe it starts with curiosity, a sketch in a notebook, a story waiting to be told, an idea that refuses to leave you alone. Being a creative isn't always easy.
But every creator who inspired me kept going and never gave up.
Every piece of art wasn't just a design. It was a connection.
Artists, storytellers, animators.
My mom, who grew up loving the Jackson 5, got hooked on K-pop through my sister. She saw the same raw energy, the same R&B flair, and suddenly, K-pop became a bridge between two generations.
Filmmakers.
These aren't copies, they're mine. By transforming my original concepts, I built something that I fully own and discovered a creative freedom I didn't know I had.
Dreamers.
Listening to this music late at night, thinking no one gets you. We do. You're not alone. This design is for every late bloomer, self-taught dreamer, and silent star out there. You are a star. You don't need permission to shine. They didn't wait for permission. They created anyway.
MTR Productions is a home for creative adventures. Because being a continuous creator isn't about being perfect.
A place where art, storytelling, nostalgia, and imagination come together.
A place for creators who never stop dreaming.
This is MT Art Productions.
Create, evolve, stay continuous, creatives.